Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start protecting your data with McAfee, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Search for McAfee online. Visit the official McAfee website. Look for the Products or Solutions section. Select the appropriate security software for your needs. Click on the Buy Now button. If you already have a subscription, find the Login option. Enter your credentials to access your account. Follow the prompts to purchase your chosen product. Once your purchase is complete, navigate to the Download section. Download the McAfee installer file. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Once installed, open the McAfee application. Sign in with your account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various features available. Enable real-time scanning for maximum protection. Set up scheduled scans to check for threats regularly. Review the firewall settings to ensure they meet your preferences. Consider activating identity theft protection features. Configure parental controls if required. Keep your software updated through the app settings. Check the Security Reports section to monitor your protection status. Regularly review your scan history for insights. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the help resources available on the site. Remember to stay vigilant about your online habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.